everyone. So today we're going to cook with Granny and Grandpa. So we're gonna do that. Let's go to the kitchen.
There you are.
Granny, what are you doing? Wait, what? What the? Oh no, 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 no. No, please. Please. Ew. Don't touch me. Ew. Don't touch me. Ah. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Alright, sorry about that. Alright. Where's Granny? Where's Grandpa? That stupid bald guy. Let's go to the kitchen. Okay guys, I haven't played chapter 2 in a long time, so I don't know what I'm doing. And we need to cook. No! Alright, it's day 3, and I don't know what to do. But yeah, it's only been 1 minute, and I'm at day 3. Okay. Well, I have an idea actually. So yeah. I'm slow because I'm easy mode, and I don't even know how to do normal mode. Alright, Granny. Where's Grandpa? Where's Grandpa?
I see you.
Pretty failed. Gosh. Okay. I didn't see her. What? What? I'm so confused. It's just me dying. Let Grandpa
I see you.
Okay, where are you? Good. Alright, so now we're gonna cook something. That's good. It's hot. He's got these
I'm trying not to.
Just get the ammo before Grandpa gets here. Oh shoot. No! No! Wow. I didn't get the taste in time. Oh gosh, not again. Oh my god, I forgot I was recording. No! Okay, who cares though? It's not such a big deal. I remember the blood used to be like brown color, which is disgusting. Yeah, I'm gonna get these. Okay, I think there's some. Aren't they? Where are they? Hi, Granny. Come here. Let's get Grandpa. Right. What the hell is he? Alright, Grandpa. Granny, you're the air. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ah, Grandpa's there. Alright, good, good, good. Yes, you. No! This is a fail. What is this? I'm so bad at this game. What? You know what? I need to do this again. Alright, this is not entertaining at all. We need to cook. Huh. Jeez. Okay, it's Grandpa here. Not yet. Oh my god. Holy shit. Just a wrench. Huh. My microwave wrench. My microwave wrench. Oh my goodness. Not again. This is just me dying. This is literally not entertaining. What's wrong with me? What is wrong with me? I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. This is not even entertaining. Duct tape. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay.
I see you.
It's better not to go there. I'm just running around in circles. Oh my god, Granny. No! I'm surrounded.
There you
I'm
are.
surrounded. Oh my goodness. We still need to do the mukbang thingy. Not mukbang, I mean like, you know, oh my gosh. Stop. Alright, good, good, good. I'm in a bad spot so far. Why are they not nice to me? Oh my gosh, I just want to do mopping with them. You know what? You know what? I'm getting a wrench. I'm getting my microwave wrench I did last time with Granny's house. Alright. You know, okay, why am I turning Grandpa like that? Like, you know what? Okay. Sorry. Sorry. Alright. Let me get my microwave wrench. You know what? Alright, there's the microwave wrench. I'm gonna let go of the wrench. Hey, Grandpa. You wanna try my microwave wrench? I know Granny did last time, but like you didn't like it. I hope you like it. Come here. Come here. You can come here. Come here. Okay, taste it. Taste it. Yeah, did you taste it? No! Why are you just waiting there? Why are you looking at me? What? Oh my god, not again. Gosh. Do you even like it, Grandpa? You didn't even taste it. Oh my god, so rude. So rude. Where's the microwave wrench again? I'm scared.
I see you.
Oh my gosh, you know what? Bye. This is not even entertaining. I'm sorry, guys.